Assalamu alaikum. This is Amna Tariq from Desi TV. Let me take you to the special report. Mayor's AAPI Advisory Board launches National AAPI Convention. As the nation marks the 25th anniversary of founding of the White House Initiative and President's Advisory Commission on Asian American and Pacific Islander AAPI, the City of Houston's Mayor's Asian American and Pacific Islander Advisory Board is proud to announce that it will host the first ever RP National Convention Houston on July 27, 2024 at Marriott Marquis, Houston. It is designed to facilitate the RP community in having a united voice. The RP National Convention Houston will bring together RP groups from across Greater Houston, the state of Texas, and nation to exchange ideas, empower advocacy, and enable progress. The event, which is being held concurrently with 2024 Leadership Convention by National Association of Asian American Professionals, will feature a dynamic program composed of keynote addresses, panel discussions, workshops, and networking sessions that include thought leaders, innovative change makers, entrepreneurs, scholars, and government officials. The participant will also have access to an AAP diversity job fair and can enjoy the NAP Community Weekend Market. According to the Board of Chairman Noman Hussain, Houston as the most diverse city in America with over 1.2 million RP residents in uniquely positioned to host a national gathering of RP groups. Our goal is to facilitate the RP community in having a united voices by advancing policies and practices that expand human and civil rights, eliminates discrimination, and accelerate the well-being, education, and economic securities of RPs. The Board Convention Committee Chairperson Mohammad Saeed Sheikh also noted the theme of inaugural RP National Convention Houston is uplifting RP, uniting communities. By mobilizing and strengthening a powerful coalition of RP leaders, we will be celebrating the RP community diversity and collective power. For more details on RP National Convention Houston, including registration and program updates, please visit HoustonAAPIConvention.org. About the City of Houston's Mayor's RP Advisory Board was established to help forge stronger connection between the city and its diverse communities. The board has three main goals: increasing engagement with the City of Houston, identify and recommend community leaders to serve on city panels, and work with the law enforcement to identify crime issues that impact businesses. Follow the RP Advisory Board at HoustonAAPIConvention.org or on LinkedIn at Houston Mayor's Asian American and Pacific Islander Advisory Board.
Your help with the National Museum. Oh, yes, absolutely. Last we come to the National Convention. The AAPI community in Houston is large and diverse, and it is also large and diverse around the country. There's business groups, there's social groups, there's professional groups, but there's never been a convention bringing all of these groups together into one city for one convention. And so when we started working as an advisory board, we decided that this was going to be one of our main goals. It was within a year, try to bring a national convention to Houston. And
this will be the first time have AAPI convention in Houston, and maybe in the nation too. So my question is, what's the main issue do you think the organizer and even the mayor, like the Asian community, AAPI community, what the issues that most important to them that you will address in this convention?
Confident that the national leadership, which is coming from across the United States through the platform of NAP and also to our convention, we already registered 500 members from Canada and USA, and there will be 300 of us, making it our biggest convention ever. More than 800 people will be participating from all over the country. So we're looking forward for your support. Thank you so very much, Honorable Mayor. You are somebody who is really fulfilling whatever you have said during the campaign. and we are looking forward as your soldier to implement what you are planning. Thank you so very much.
Durham, Shepherd, Corridor, you got condos right up against loud music entertainment venues. We're going to encourage the entertainment folks to come downtown where we can leave residents alone. So there's just a lot of reasons to be excited. This is one of them that we're displaying today. So I'm excited to go to work. In fact, I'm so excited I'm going to go upstairs and go to work.
Naomi Hassan. I'll give a brief introduction about him. Mr. Hassan is the founder of Hussein Law and Associates, a law firm based in Houston, Texas, which focuses on litigation, immigration, and aviation. Naomi Hassan currently serves as a commissioner of the President Biden's White House Commission on Fellowship, chairman of the Mayor AAPI Advisory Board, commissioner on the Harris County Houston Sports Authority, advisor to Harris County Sheriff Ed Gonzalez, Bourbon County District Attorney Brian Middleton, UT Austin College of Liberal Arts.
That's all for now from Desi TV USA. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to watch our channel DTVNN and log into our OTT platform DTV Flix to explore over 3,000 channels. Thank you so much.
Helping Hand USA is a community that is guided by gratitude. A community that sees blessings beyond just tables. It's Muslims for humanity. Let's make this Ramadan a testament to the gratitude we all share. Join us to provide orphan support, healthcare, education and training, shelter, and much more. Give your zakat today at hhrd.org/Ramadan.